Yes, my friends, I'm at Grosmont station to see the 200-year exhibition. Railway 200 celebrates the 200th anniversary of the modern railway, celebrating the past, present and future of rail. Travel back in time to some of the major moments that define the railway, shaping nations and the lives of people around the globe. Inspiration, the Railway 200 exhibition train is in Grosmont from Sunday the 5th to Tuesday the 7th of October 2025. It's a static free exhibition train created by the Railway 200 team and the National Railway Museum, featuring interactive displays, inspiring stories and hands-on activities for all age groups to enjoy. Sporting an eye-catching livery, the inspiration train features 4 carriages, each offering a unique experience. There's Railway Firsts, Wonderlab on Wheels, Your Railway Future and the Partner Zone. So let's get on board and see what it's like. Yeah, I've got a booking there.
There you go, love, go and enjoy. Just mind the step
Right,
getting on.
thank you.
Enjoy playing the sand, ladies. Oh, the adults will getting off the same as playing in the sand. Oh. Hey, good job. Thank you.
Okay. Can I give you a ticket?
Yes, please.
Want one each? Yeah?
Go on.
Thanks.
So if you want to punch a hole in there,
Yeah,
put it in with the 1825 away from you.
that way then, yeah.
Remind me how to use it. Oh. Okay, right.
You have to use it, you just press the button.
That one there?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, it's a big one like that, is it?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Poke your finger through that.
Is it done right in? That's it, that's it. Yeah, that way.
200 years since the opening of Stockton and Darlington Railway. First drawing of a train by a child, 1825. That Thomas Tank Engine 1946, that's how old it is.
Good old Thomas. Yeah, I was used to watch
Yeah,
him.
he started it off, didn't he?
All little boys love Thomas the Tank Engine, don't they? Yeah. So know all the names of the trains myself.
Because in the parents say it's more the kids' programs that we used to watch it all. Not up by heart.
Beds as well, didn't he? The Thomas the Tank bed.
Oh, yeah. It's just so different.
In the 1830s, every town had its own local time based on sunrise and sunset. Until 1880, and that's when it started, Greenwich Mean Time.
Oh, right, yeah.
I think it's left on still change clocks, to be honest.
That's it. Cut the road. So what is it? Taking all that credits. So you've got some of that. Website, stuff like that. That's a popular thing, I like that. That's one.
Challenge here. The idea being to create a self-supporting bridge that will traverse both sides of the valley with a locomotive to run underneath. It gets progressively more challenging as you move down the valley, or easier if you work the other way. It's up to you. Alternatively, we have designing a set of wheels that will go run from top to bottom of the railway track as well. Bringing out your inner engineer.
Sometimes you have to hear about second one.
Do feel free to give it a go. Hi guys, okay? Welcome to Wonderland.
Maybe you can build a bridge.
Either the red one or the red, whichever way you want to
Might
do
as well
it.
start there.
The highest bridge.
It is.
It's not a challenge.
Aha.
Well, so
Self-supported.
it's steady.
Okay, so if that works,
For that one,
the
that
thinking
one works.
would be is would that trans and like you've done there, it's think about a brick wall, how a brick wall is done. But to stop that going in, see that you can put quite a bit of weight on
It's
there.
really nice. Giving already. It's impossible.
That's not, you need to do something like that, don't you?
But you probably have to do
It's so
something to
hard.
this side of
Doesn't
that
work here.
Suppose.
You've got to do both at the same time, both sides.
And then it goes the other side, so.
Oh, really?
They
You
support
may
each
need
other.
some more bricks as well.
No.
You should do them both at the same
No,
time,
you
don't
have to
you?
keep hold of it now until that'd be the trick in it. You have to keep hold of it. I'll hold that one right there.
I'll give in. Nah, it's not gonna.
Don't go too high because you lose it on that side.
Yeah, you need to sort of.
that
You need
side
to maybe join. No. Don't go too high.
You need to overlap yours a little bit more so that these all need to come across a bit more. Although it won't support itself, as soon as they touch each other, they'll help to support it.
You didn't say we can't do that. The train can still get through.
Leave the next one on, up to that. Hold on to that. Probably.
Put the end in there.
Can't have them, anything under there, can you?
Do
Yeah.
we need more bricks?
Train won't be able to get through.
Have you achieved this yourself?
Not like that, no.
Just a minute, let's move that one along.
If you think
Move
what
your
you
top
might
one along a
need
bit.
to do to the sides, think what you might need to do to the sides.
Put extra.
Aha. Aha. I'll bring these now for you.
But where?
So you could. So yeah.
Weigh it
There we
down.
are.
Yeah.
Up there.
We're almost there.
Ah.
There we are.
I've
if you
still
let-
got
if
my
you-
finger on it.
If you let go,
Let that go.
guys. I feel the photograph now before it goes. That's really good. Well done, guys.
Yay!
See how you get on with the wheels.
Oh, there's more challenges.
Thanks for having a go.
Alright.
Oh, this.
Which wheel shape works best on the track?
Just ours got Grosmont Railway.
There you go. It's a bridge.
10, 14, 17.
That's a big range.
Yeah, good business.
For that.
Been on the train.
I've been on today, but it's been on.
Right, okay.
On that.
Okay.
You nearly took me out there.
Lost your fingers.
I'll tell you what, if I move out your way,
It's a 17-year-old, so it's still got a lively side to it. Yeah.
It was really fun being in the bar last night. Victoria
Oh, this is the sand one then.
We used to find the trends out. These are stuck. Look at the road.
Yeah, so keep the traffic running smooth, don't you? So they're moving again now.
It needs to be flat, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is good. Mine, the cars move.
Look, is it a tray?
It moves when I move the sand, so look, when I've got it like that, they're not going to get past, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone. That's out of use. Big sign on it says
He's saying I have to go round it. But I need to go down. I'm thinking that to that. So if I put it down.
big, isn't it? They're just as easy to fly as that. Yeah? Not all that different.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dad.
See ya.
Now I'm telling you. They might give you a lot of money to do that.
Oh, this is it.
Straight over the river. Volunteer for charity at schools, and we were with Zeta, and we were all using different login, using the same login. So I'm looking between at the moment at alternatives.
Unfortunately, everybody that is using some of here at the moment
Yes.
is logging in with one person's identity. I don't know whether that's a requirement somewhere or whether you
You did?
Well, what did you think to that then? I thought it was good. Interesting to learn about the history of the railway. Lots of interesting facts and information to discover.
Yeah, that's all you need here.
€2,003 Eurostar train sets a new speed record, 208 miles an hour.
Well, it was.
Train place, that's free, are you? I went there when we should. Oh, they're still picking it all up.
All fenced off, blocked off, digging.
It's all
Just heading to the Station Tavern pub now, just next to the train station. I'm going to go and have a nice Sunday lunch. Been here loads of times before and it's always amazing food. It's a lovely pub with bar, dining rooms and an outside area. An absolutely delicious Sunday lunch which I'm having today. Gone for the beef, cooked absolutely perfect. Nice big portion. Lovely choice of vegetables, lovely gravy, nice fresh Yorkshire pudding, all absolutely amazing.
She's come with a couple of friends.
Oh, really? Why to this time?
I'm not sure. She's somewhere else.
How about that for a big plate full of food? Absolutely beautiful. Always looks better in real life. Tastes better as well. Back in Whitby now, just going for a walk up towards Nady Abbey. I'm going to go and sit in the cafe there next to the Abbey and have a drink. Just going to have a coffee. Have to watch your head on here, it's a bit low. Get lovely views from up here though. Lovely views over the town. What a view over Whitby that is. Shame it's a bit cold and windy today. Lovely sat out here when it's sunny. Get a lovely view. And sometimes they have live music on up here as well. Very windy and the sea's very rough today, look at that. Rough choppy sea. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And I'll see you on the next one.